Welcome to the 2020 Maker Market Quarantine Edition. My name is Dr. Peter James. I want to welcome you. And our first participant, our first business today will be Lauren. Lauren, please tell us a little bit about your business. Give us a quick snapshot of your business if you could.
Sure, really quickly. Worth stealing. I weld garden art and I weld functional stuff and figurines and wall art and all sorts of fun stuff like that. I learned welding through COD about 3 years ago.
So now a little bit of background. How did you even get started into welding?
I can't exactly say why. I think something from childhood. I've always wanted to learn to weld. Always wanted to learn. I'm an instructor at College of DuPage and thought, I'm just going to see. I know that they teach welding. I'm going to go over there, see what it's like. Who knows? I'll probably just not fit in and decide to go away or something. And the opposite happened. I fell in love with it. I met a couple of the instructors. They were fantastic.
So how did you go from taking these welding courses to actually thinking about starting your business? What was that involved? Yeah.
So I actually took the classes with the intention of making fun things. I did not take the classes with the intention of joining a union and working on the pipeline. So my full intention was to make things that I would either have or sell or, just conversation pieces.
Very, very awesome. So, I'm a little curious. I don't know how much you know about the industry, but what makes your business a little bit unique from other independent welders that might be out there?
So, since starting this, I've actually joined a couple of welders Facebook groups so that I can talk with other welders and see what they're doing. And first of all, I am so impressed with everyone else's talent. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I have so much to learn. But that's great because I want to learn. Most of the welders in these groups, they are professional welders every single day going and, showing their burns and all, their crazy projects. But a lot of them also do art. So we get good ideas from there. I will say this, one of the most impressive things I've learned about every welder who is really into, as a profession or as a craft, they really know their stuff. It's not just, it's not just something where you can pick up a welding machine and start running a bead and doing all there's so much to think about. And these people who've been doing it, it's just everything's second nature to them, where I'm just still in awe of everything they know.
Sure. Very, very awesome. Yeah, you told us a little bit how you're affiliated with COD, but I'm curious, what types of items do you weld? What does some of your items consist of?
So, one of the things that I really pay attention to, or I'm very intentional about reusing metal that might otherwise end up in a landfill or, buried in someone's basement for 20 years kind of thing. I try to find uses for that. So I recently made a couple of really cute bunnies out of teaspoons that were, old, junky, bought at Goodwill for you can have 50 teaspoons for $1 kind of thing, and I made cute little bunnies out of them. I've made some sculptures, some wall hangings, flowers. I've been doing a lot of flowers with different things. Like I found a bunch of old rusty nails at an estate sale and hammered them down flat and then welded them to a to a center and put them on a spring. And now I've got these kind of boingy little flowers all over my yard. So another thing, and one of my friends in the welding class, her and I both do this. We make fish out of wrenches. Doing stuff like that, it's like I could just do this all day. It's so much fun.
Wow! Sounds like some unique items there for sure. So thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much for telling us a little bit about your business. Here's my last question, which is probably one of the most important questions: is how can our listeners, our watchers in this case, get in touch with you to give us all the ways that they can reach out to you if they would like some of your items?
So my Facebook page is facebook.com/worth stealing, again, 2 E's. And I love when people, just kind of stumble on my page and start asking questions. That's a fun conversation for me to have.
Thank you so much, Lauren, for being with us today. I truly wish you the best of luck moving forward with your business. And for those of you who are watching, thank you so much, and stay tuned for more of the 2020 Maker Market.